Discrete bivariate random variable. Let x and y be two discrete random variables defined on the same sample space of the experiment. The joint probability mass function p of xy is defined for every pair for each pair of xy such that p of xy equal to probability of x equal to x and y equal to y. It must be the case that it must satisfy two conditions. One is p of xy greater than or equal to 0 and summation over x, summation over y equal to p of xy equal to 1. So that must satisfy two conditions. One is p of xy greater than or equal to 0. Second one is total summation, sum of all probabilities must be equal to 1. Now we will consider an example. So this is joint probability mass function of two random variable x and y denoted by p of xy. And here y takes the value 0, 100, 200 and x takes the value 100, 250 and this is the corresponding probabilities. Okay, now first you have to find out p of 100, 100. So P of 100, 100 is probability of x equal to 100 and y equal to 100. So the answer is 0.10. That is P of 100, 100 is equal to 0.10. Now the second question, P of y greater than or equal to 100. So in y greater than or equal to 100, y must take the value 100 and 200 and x takes the value, every value of x, 100 and 250. So the answer is p of y greater than or equal to 100 means p of 100, 100. Okay, and plus p of 100, sorry, 250, 100 plus p of next 200. So p of 100, 200 plus p of 250, 200, and p of 0 we will not take because y is always greater than. So now we will add all these probabilities. 0.10 plus 0.20, that is this 0.15 plus 0.30. So the total is 0.75. So this is probability of y greater than or equal to 100. Now here there is another question, probability of x strictly greater than 100. That means strictly greater than 100 means it will take only value 250. So that is p of 250 plus, sorry, uh, p of 250, that is equal to 250, 0, and y can take any value, plus p of 250, 100 plus p of 250, 200. So that's equal to 0.05, 250, 100 plus 0.15 plus 0.30. So the answer is 0.50. Okay. Now next we will discuss marginal probability distribution function, mass function. The marginal probability mass function of x denoted by px. Px of x is given by Px of x is summation over y p of xy, summation over y p of xy for each possible value of x. That is Px of x is summation over y p of xy. That means we will fix the x and the varies y and add the probability. Similarly, marginal probability mass function of y is py of y summation over x p of xy for each possible value of y. So that is py of y is equal to summation over x. We will fix y, values of y, and varies x. Fix y and varies x. So here we have to find out marginal probability mass function of x and y. So for the above example. So I will uh, uh, so, so I will take this example and I will paste here. So this is marginal probability mass function of x and y, and we have to find out marginal probability mass function. So first we will find the PMF, joint PMF, or marginal PMF of x. We denoted by Px of x. So for the value, x takes the value 100 and 250. So Px of 100 is equal to, we will fix 100, then varies this y plus P of 100, 100 plus P of 100, 200. So the answer is 0.20, 0.15 plus 0.20. So the answer is 0. Sorry, here 0.10. 0.10. So the answer is 0.50. So similarly, Px of, now we will fix 250, then P of, we will fix 250 and varies y. 0 plus P of 250, 100 plus P of 250, 200. So that's equal to, so we will add all these 0.5, 0.05 plus 0.15 plus 0.30. So that is also, so the probability mass function PMF, marginal PMF, we will denote P of x equal to x by 0.5 when x equal to 100 and also 0.5 when x equal to 250. So this is the margin and 0 otherwise. This is the marginal PMF of. Now if you find the marginal PMF of x, you can similarly find marginal PMF of y. Okay. So before that, I will find expectation of x. So in order to find expectation of x, first we have to find out uh, probability summation over x. Here probability mass function joint distribution is given, then this is equal to Px of x. So Px of x we already found, this is 0.5 when x equal to 100, 250 and 0 otherwise. Now that's equal to, okay, x equal to, x takes the value here 100 into probability when 100, 0.5 plus again 250 into the corresponding probability of 250. Px of 250 is then 0.5. So that is equal to 50. Okay, that is 100 into 1 by 2 plus 250 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 50 plus 125, which is equal to 175. So this is probability, sorry, expectation of x. So in order to find expectation of x, if we have given joint PDF of two functions, then you have to find out the marginal. So similarly, you can find marginal PMF of y, that is Py of y, and also E of y is equal to summation over y into Py of y. So this is your homework. Thank you.